Good morning. We're at OWA and we're having a car show today over in Foley, Alabama, and I'm going to do a walk around and show you some of the cars that are here. Still a little bit early, not everybody's arrived. So we're going to start out with Miss Elsie and we're just going to do a walk, okay? I'll try to describe them as best as I can if I know them, but I'm not an expert on anything in this world, and I'll just give you as much as I do know. So we've already seen some of these. They're really nice. Just gonna do a walkthrough so you get an idea of who all brought their cars out today and what they're proud of and how nice they look. It's turning out to be a beautiful day. The sun is starting to come out. If we can just get that sun out, it'll warm up. Right now it's about 42, 45, a little bit cool out, but we got some coffee staying warm. So we're gonna do a walkthrough. So you see OWA has these nice little shops that look like towns, old brick buildings, but they're actually storefronts. If you haven't been here, you should come and visit. OWA is owned by Native Americans, and they have done an amazing job at this entertainment city, we'll call it. We're going to show you some really awesome stuff. How about that with the flames? That's just fucking awesome. Sorry about that. But that's awesome. That is so nice. Wow. Okay, we're gonna creep through this way. We're gonna walk through, come around the corner. And last year we were parked right there on that spot. Let's see what we got going. Some really nice Mustang right here. Very nice stuff.
Love it or you don't.
It's really nice Bel Air. This Bel Air is really nice. Very nice Bel Air. Wow. Nice Z28. That's for sure. Very nice Z. We got Red Riot. Come on along. Dave's Fred. Got a Mustang too. GT 350. Here's a Shelby right here. Really nice. Very nice. So we still got room for more cars. Hopefully they're going to start coming in a little bit more. But for now, we're gonna see what we got this way. So you see I'm walking down the street. Stores and buildings are like little buildings, like an old town. That's really cool. So we're strolling through. It's a nice Shelby. Very nice Shelby. Mustang show, or Mustang Club is sponsoring this show, or is a big part of the show. That's why you see a lot of Mustangs. They're kind of like help sponsor the show. Red rims. How about those red walls? That's pretty nice. Red walls. Those go like around $250, $300 a piece. Just a novelty thing because the entire wall is dyed red for you. So we're gonna pan this way. Oh, we got the nice Impala. Got a 327 in it. Very nice. Sorry, oh hey, Kristen.
I was spinning
no.
over. Don't film my butt. How are you?
Very good. Have a good morning. That's Christine. We're on the other side of that building right there.
Okay.
Yeah. We have some Mustangs over here. There's still plenty of room for more cars to come in. Gonna creep through the street. See all this good stuff. There's Jack Daniel's truck, number 7. Just getting set up. There's John. Hey, John. Creeping through the streets, there's lots of people showing up now. You know why? It's starting to get a little bit warm. It's getting warm out. That's why they're coming out now. They come through the street. Nice Firebird. Okay, now we're back on this side. More Mustangs, Corvettes, Ford window coupe. Got a Ferrari. Ranchero. There's a nice Ranchero. That was Ford's version of the El Camino, but the Ranchero came out first. So El Camino followed. But very nice. Love that. That's nice. Creeping around, creeping through the streets. Got lots of trucks, lots of stuff. So we're just doing a quick walk, just so you can see them. Restaurant. Got some stingers, look at that. It's a nice Impala. Lots of cars. See how they just keep going and going? You gotta come to the OWA show just so you can experience it and see some of the cool stuff. See, they're even in the alleyways, all tucked away in the park. So we're almost to the end of the show, and then we're gonna curve back around, and that's when we'll stop our video. Got a few down this side. I'm looking for John, where John has Emile. I don't see him yet. I don't see where he's set up. And then we turn, right? Watch this. Then we turn and we go down this side street. It's a little, see? So, all that pretty cool stuff, right? Very nice. Almost done. Thanks for hanging with me. I know it's been a few minutes. It's at the 8.5 minute mark right now. But just so you see, there's a lot of vehicles that you got to get out and see. Got to get to see them. And then I see Emile, so we're going to see John's truck, Emile, and that's how we'll end our video. And there he sits. So that's Emile, our friend John Gardner's Studebaker rat rod. There he is. He's all set up. Looks great. All right. That was the car show. We're at the opposite end of it now. So I'm gonna pan back around so you can see a couple of the buildings and stuff. That's the movie theater they have here. If you wanna come over to OWA to visit, some great stuff. I would highly recommend you come check it out. Got a little wine bar right here. That one says Sassy Bass, Amazing Grill. Hershey's Ice Cream Parlor. They have an arcade. They have a thing called Tropic Falls. They have a new indoor water park. It's really cool. I think you should just come out and give it a shot. You might have a good time. Thanks for watching. And once again, we're at the OWA in Foley, Alabama for the Greater Mustang and Mega Car Show. Thanks for watching.